Hi, I'm Blake from P&L Automotive. We're the auto armor distributors in Minnesota. We apply protective coatings to vehicles to help protect their appearance against the harsh Minnesota environment. The first product I'm going to talk about today is our rust protection. When we apply rust protection, we're applying a rust inhibitor to all panels of the vehicle using a pressure pot gun system and special access wands. We do not drill holes in the vehicle. We do not affect the structure of the car. We want to make sure we coat the inside panels to make sure that any residue that's left from any snow, rain, puddles that runs through the vehicle's panels does not rust from the inside out. We then apply an undercoating to the underside of the vehicle, protecting the vehicle against any road debris. It's also a sound deadener, primarily a rust inhibitor. The undercoating is a nickel thick material, petroleum based. It's going to protect the underside of the vehicle against any rust. Again, 10-year warranty against any hole through rust, 5-year surface rust protection warranty when combined with our paint sealant. When we paint seal a vehicle, we're using 3 steps. First, we're going to clean the vehicle's painted surface before we apply our paint protection. We're going to use a neutralizer chemical. The neutralizer neutralizes the pH and acid rain. We then take a clay bar and we're going to remove any rail dust or hard deposits with this clay bar. It's a non-abrasive, body shop safe clay bar. After that process is done, we've gotten off all the contaminants. We can apply the paint sealant using a low-speed orbital buffer. We use a nanotechnology paint sealant. Years ago, the EPA forced the manufacturer to take the leads out of the paints. The paints are now soft and porous. We want to be able to fill in the valleys of the paint. They have lots of peaks and valleys. We want to fill in those valleys to make sure no contaminants etch into the clear coat, burn into the clear coat, thus affecting the paint down the road. To show you how well our paint sealant works, half this hood has been paint sealed. You can take this black spray paint, spray right there on the hood of the vehicle, start it on fire, and with the cleaner renewer product that we give out to the customer in our customer maintenance kit, you can take that liberal amount. Obviously this is a worst case scenario, but if it'll take that off that quickly, imagine the common contaminants: tree sap, bird droppings, mosquito etching, road salt, all stuff that we deal with in Minnesota in our summers and our winters. As you can see right there on the towel, all that paint has come off. Now this is not a magical product. It's the steps we took to treat the paint that are going to allow that paint sealant to work. Again, we give a 7-year warranty against any environmental damage. So we've begun to wrap this vehicle in protection. 10-year hole through rust warranty, 5-year surface rust protection warranty, and a 7-year paint protection warranty. As far as the interior goes, we call it McDonald's proofing the vehicle. 7-year warranty against any food, beverage, oil, or grease stains. We're also protecting all the vinyl leather areas of the vehicle against any fading, cracking of the dash. Also, dye transfer is a big problem as well. Fancy blue jeans and leathers will bleed onto light colored leather. We want to make sure that we can protect those areas as well. Again, our warranties are all repair or replace warranties. If you should have rust on a fender, we'll go so far as replacing that area. If you have etching on your paint, we'll go so far as repainting. If you have stains from food, beverage, oil, or grease stains, we'll go so far as re-dyeing or reupholstering those areas.